I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. High pressure extending from Canada to Texas continues to push Arctic air southward through tomorrow. After highs this afternoon in the low to mid single digits, record cold lows ranging from around 10 below to the low 20s below are likely for tonight. Wind chills by tomorrow morning should be as cold as 25 to 35 below. Tomorrow a little better with highs in the upper single digits to the low teens. Another round of dangerous wind chills are possible for tomorrow night into Friday morning when lows drop to around zero. Northern Kansas may see a shot of light snow tomorrow night through Friday with a weak trough of low pressure. A strong ridge of high pressure begins a sustained warming trend Friday through early next week. Highs quickly warm from the 20s on Friday into the mid-50s to the mid-60s by Monday and Tuesday, even some upper 60s over northwest Kansas on Monday. Chances are very good for the milder temperatures to continue in the long-term forecast. Warmer than normal temperatures remain likely Monday through the first 4 days of March for Nebraska and Kansas. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation projected to be below normal Monday through the middle of next week before a trend of slightly above normal precipitation late next week through March 4th. Key weather factors the markets are watching include cold temperatures in the central and eastern U.S. that are followed by milder temperatures next week, decreasing rain in central Brazil, and a mix of dry weather and rain in Argentina. Through tomorrow, a weak and fast-moving storm produces widespread but mostly light precipitation across the eastern third of the U.S. Most of the U.S., including the plains and much of the Mississippi Valley, is dry the next 5 days. A gradual warming trend accompanies the mostly quiet weather, although the next several days remain quite cold across the central and eastern U.S. Only the deep south of Texas and the Florida Peninsula are spared from the below-freezing temperatures. A small storm increases precipitation chances in the U.S. the middle of next week. With the milder temperatures, rain and some snow is expected. Most of the central and southern plains, though, are missed by that precipitation the middle of next week. Another shot of colder air builds into the eastern U.S. late next week or weekend. Across central Brazil, the pace of second crop corn planting back to being mostly on schedule with lighter rains. Southern Brazil rainfall a bit higher this week and is limiting the progress of planting the second crop corn. Argentina back to drier weather the rest of the week, and heat is increasing, leading to more crop stress for areas with limited soil moisture. There is a chance of helpful rain for southern Argentina this weekend and in the north late next week and weekend. Europe is mostly drier this week. Rain is possible Friday through Saturday, which is needed in Spain, but would keep the UK and France too wet. Eastern Europe could use more precipitation before the wheat awakens from dormancy, and the pattern does get more active for more of Europe next week. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.